Thank you all so much for being here with us and celebrating as we release out of Egypt.
It has been an unexpected joy to travel to these places and to share them with people around the world.
I think that it's a great tool for teaching people about the Bible and the reality of the events that we read about in it, can actually see the Bible lands and being able to experience it firsthand.
So Karnak actually, according to the
Story of the Exodus is our story.
I loved it.
It was great. It was incredible. It brought it to life.
It was really well done.
And brought out points that will help make it more personal.
What has happened tonight is not simply our team creating something. It's something people all over the world have allowed us to do, that have supported this mission, and we pray will continue to support it.